Everybody loves steak, but what's exciting for us is coming up with new fun and exciting ways to prepare it, like steak au pois with Dijon cream sauce. Today, we're featuring our Harris Teeter Reserve Angus flat iron steak. Have you tried them yet? They taste like a New York strip, but they're as tender as a filet mignon. They come from the chuck, so there's only 2 per cow. So let's get started by cutting them into portion-sized pieces. The best way for me to measure a portion size is the 3-finger width rule. And we'll cut. Now we're going to heat our pan over a medium-high heat for about 2 minutes. In the meantime, we'll season them on the first side with some kosher salt. Then we'll add a thin layer of the Dijon mustard to the first side of our steaks. And we're going to season with some fresh cracked pepper. Now we're going to oil the pan with some of our HT Traders olive oil and swirl the coat well. Notice how it's smoking. That's what we're looking for. Now we're going to place the steaks in mustard side down. Now that they're in the pan, we'll go ahead and do the same thing to the second side. We'll add our salt, our thin layer of mustard, our fresh cracked pepper, and right about that time, we'll give them their first turn. Beautiful. Now that we turn them to the second side, we can lower the heat to medium-low and let them cook, turning ever so often, every 2 or 3 minutes until they're done to your liking. I like mine medium rare, which is about 130 degrees internal temperature. That's looking pretty good. We'll go ahead and set these in a clean plate, and we'll set them aside to rest while we make our sauce. Now, to that same pan on a medium heat, we'll add our shallots and our Gourmet Garden squeezed garlic. Gourmet garlic, squeezed garlic is fantastic because it lasts months in your refrigerator and no peeling garlic. Now we're going to saute this for only about 30 seconds because we don't want to burn the shallots. It becomes very bitter. And to that pan, we're going to go ahead and add our Kitchen Basics veal stock. And we'll break the brown bits off the bottom of the pan with a whisk. Next, we're going to add our heavy whipping cream and our Mouton Cadet Bordeaux Blanc wine. Now, we're going to finish up with the remaining Dijon mustard. We'll bring it together with a whisk and let it simmer to thicken for about 2 minutes. Boy, the whole house smells fantastic. Boy, it looks great. Let's serve. Enjoy this great dish with a glass of the Mouton Cadet Bordeaux Blanc wine.